Good morning, everybody. So today we got a little, we're gonna do some exhaust stuff, but not on my car. We're gonna meet up with Alex. Alex is a guy I've been talking to for a while now. I've actually met up with him once, and he has been wanting to do my exhaust, my previous exhaust when the car was pro charged, on his car for a while, and then he just finally got everything together, and he's getting it installed today. I'm on my way now. I'm running a little late, so I want to see how the car sounds from a different perspective. I've never heard it on another car, so this should be interesting, and I'm excited. He's excited. I know he's been trying to, I mean, it's probably been a good 6 months since he's been trying to put everything together and trying to get somebody to install it for him. He ended up coming to my muffler shop almost 2 hours away from him just to get it installed, because I guess he couldn't get nobody to do it for him locally. So yeah, we'll be there in a little bit, and should be fun. I'm really excited. All right, so we got started. The lethal performance off-road legs are in, and the followers are on. So getting there. X-pipe is next. Lethal off-road legs, Jones resonator, eBay X-pipe, 14-inch tube mufflers. These are the Magnaflow ones, right? Magnaflow. Yeah. So, and the rest is just a muffler delete. Pretty simple setup. He's also running. You can see it back there, BBK shorties. All right, guys. So this is Alex. That's his car. Me and him have been talking probably what, 5-6 months, right? Yeah, for a while. He's been collecting these parts to do the exhaust for a while, and I'm excited to hear it because, like I said, I've never heard it in another car before. That's stock, no pro charge. Yeah, and basically an NA car. So I'm excited to see how it's gonna come out, and it's almost done. So this should be fun. You excited?
I'm very, yeah. I can't wait. Yeah. I've been waiting a long time. Man.
I know you have.
Know it.
I know it.
Struggles, man.
Should be fun. Alright, it's all done. Just need to cut these off right quick. It's all done. He's excited. You excited?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Very excited.
It's gonna sound good. Alright, first start up. I don't think that was supposed to be in there.
They come out of there.
They come out of there, huh? That's what that was.
Oh, yeah.
What is that?
That's part of your power thing. You spit it right the hell out of there.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's where your
oh shit, it is, you're right.
It sure the hell is.
Alright. It's going on its first ride. You see how it does where it doesn't get raspy. Are you happy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Couldn't be happy.
Yeah, good. You can see in the top end where most exhausts always get raspy. This one doesn't.
What it does is it almost, like, being in there, as soon as it hits that where it gets raspy, it actually almost sounds like it cuts out to where it doesn't get raspy. Yeah. It kind of quiets down, but it doesn't go raspy.
Yeah.
It sounds great though.
Yeah, sounds real good.
Hell yeah.
Sounds good.
Alright.
You happy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Sure. I appreciate everything.
No, man, no problem.
Appreciate the
I
time.
had a good time.
Highly recommend it.
Yeah? Yeah. Everybody should do this exhaust. So, he's happy. I'm happy. I'm happy.
We're all happy.
Yeah. There it is, guys. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was fun. He drove about 2 hours to get here before he could get the car at my exhaust shop that I always use, but he had fun. We had some fun. He's really happy with the way the car sounds, and I am too. The car sounds good, louder than my car. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next one.